With summer around the corner, this 5-minute 2-ingredient sorbet can come quite handy. We're gonna start with mango sorbet, and I love to freeze my own mango. I usually buy them in bulk when they're in season, let them sit on the counter for some time, test the sweetness level before I freeze them. That way you have full control of how sweet your mangoes are. But if you've been lucky and you have some sweet frozen mango that you bought, you can use that as well. Now we're just gonna go ahead and dump our mango in our food processor. I'm adding in some organic, no sugar added pineapple juice. It complements the mango so well. Process everything until it's nice and smooth. You might need to scrape the sides a few times to make it easier to blend. And this is what you should get. You can definitely have it as it is, but I like to freeze mine a few hours to get that real sorbet texture. So put everything in a glass container. Pop it in the freezer for about 4 hours or overnight. And you have an amazingly creamy mango sorbet. Next, we're gonna make a strawberry sorbet, and here I have some store-bought frozen strawberries, and to that I'm going to add some organic cane sugar, but you can use any sweetener you want, and some warm water to make it easier to blend. Process everything until it's nice and smooth. Pour everything in a container. Pop it in the freezer for 4 hours overnight. And again, a deliciously creamy strawberry sorbet. And of course, don't forget your mint leaves, it's very important. I'm being sarcastic, so next we're going to do some raspberry peach sorbet. And to your food processor, add your frozen peach, your sweetener of choice, and some warm water. Again, blend until smooth. Pour everything on a Tupperware. And set it aside. We're going to chop our raspberry. So just mince everything like so. Add them to the peaches and just mix them up. Pop it in the freezer. And again, a super creamy sorbet. I just love the color combination of the peach and raspberry. Plus you have the sweetness of the peach and the almost sourness of the raspberry. And of course, we can't forget our very crucial ingredient. So that's it. It took about 5 minutes to make each of these, and you have some delicious dessert available in your fridge. So I hope you find this video helpful. I'll put all the ingredients and measurement down below. Thank you so much for watching, and on to the next video. As always, have a blessed one.